Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer your cryptocurrency from crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto market evolving faster than ever, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new platforms, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both crypto.com and Robinhood, and that you have some crypto ready to transfer. Start by opening the crypto.com app on your phone or logging into the website. Head over to your wallet section and select the cryptocurrency you want to move. Let's say Bitcoin or Ethereum for this example. Next, look for the withdraw or transfer option. This is where you'll enter the destination. Now, switch to your Robinhood app. Go to your crypto wallet, find the specific asset, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double check that the network matches. For instance, use the Ethereum network for ERC20 tokens to avoid any hiccups. Back on crypto.com, paste that Robinhood wallet address into the withdrawal form. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any fees involved. They can vary based on the network and current market conditions. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authenticate the transaction, probably with two-factor authentication for extra security. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, hop back to Robinhood and refresh your wallet to see your crypto land safely. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, always stay vigilant with your transfers to prevent any losses. If you run into issues, both platforms have support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.